Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you will be now familiar with the double crochet, single crochet and all the other stitches, basic stitches from my earlier videos. Today we are going to learn how to do a granny square. This granny square basically uses the double crochet. So let us see how we go about doing this. This is the granny square. A sample that I have done. I shall now show you how to do this. Take the yarn, this is the Red Heart Super Saver yarn that I am using, and crochet hook 5 mm. Make a slip knot, insert the hook, tighten it and make 6 chains. Mostly all the patterns start with chains. So here I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to make this into a circle. So for that I am going to do a stitch called the slip stitch. Let's see how to do the slip stitch. Insert the hook in the first chain. Pull out the loop through that chain and pull through the loop inside the hook. So a circle is formed. Now we'll begin our first round. For that, first do 3 chains. These 3 chains form the first double crochet of this round. I shall show you in the pattern already done. See, this was the circle. We had started off here. See, these are 3 chains. This forms the first double crochet. If you see this pattern, you can see that all these are a set of 3 double crochets done. Okay, so this is the first double crochet of this round. Now do another double crochet inside this circle. Yet another double crochet. This forms the first set of 3 double crochets. Okay, now we'll make a corner. Square has a corner, right? We'll have 4 corners. So to make that corner, what we do is we did chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains we did. Now we'll do another set of 3 double crochet. Double crochet is yarning over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull out loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now insert the hook, make another set of 3 double crochet, chain 3, and there will be a yarn from the beginning. You'll have to yarn over that so that it is hidden and woven over. Should not be hanging around anywhere. So if there is something extra, we can cut them off. At the end, chain 3, and where do we join? We have to complete this round. So we'll have to join to the first double crochet. First double crochet is actually 1, 2, 3 chains done, right? So on the top chain, that is the third chain, we do a slip stitch. Insert the hook, pull out a loop, pull through this loop. So now we have completed this round. To start the next round, we'll have to start from here. So for coming to this chain 3 space, we have to do slip stitch on top of the second double crochet, third double crochet, and into the chain 3 space. That's how we reach there. So on top of the second double crochet, insert the hook, pull out a loop. This is a slip stitch. Slip stitch will not increase the height. If you do a single crochet, it will increase the height. So we are doing a slip stitch so that we reach this chain 3 space. Now, having reached this chain 3 space, we'll begin the next round. Moving on to the next round, we'll start the round with 3 chains, which is the beginning double crochet. Now we'll do 2 more double crochets. 1, 2 more double crochets. Done. Now we are doing the corner. So in the corner, which is inside the chain 3 space, we have to do 2 sets of these 3 double crochets with 1 chain 3 in between. So after this 3 double crochets, we do 3 chains and another set of 3 double crochet inside the same chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. So we do 2 sets of 3 double crochets with a chain 3 in between. This chain 3 will be the corner stitch. So now we are going to move to the next chain 3 space. Before that, we'll chain 1 to form a gap. Now do another set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Another set of 3 double crochet inside the same chain 3 space. Then chain 1 and complete this round in a similar manner. That is 2 sets of chain 3 double crochet with a chain 3 space in between here and here, and when you move from here to here, do a single chain to form a gap. I'll finish this and come back for the next round. We have come to the end of this round. We have done 2 sets of 3 double crochet inside the last corner. Then do a chain 1 and join. Where do we join? Join in the third chain of the first 3 chains made using a slip stitch. Do a slip stitch on the next 2 stitches. 1, next 2 stitches, and into the chain 3 space. Now we have reached the corner. Here the pattern continues. That is, in the corner what we do is set of 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then set of another 3 double crochet, chain 1. Only in the corners you do the 3 double crochets. In whatever other gaps you do only 1 chain in between, and in the gaps only 1 set of 3 double crochet. We'll see how that is done for this round. So we begin with a chain 3, which is the first double crochet. Do 2 more double crochets, chain 3, because it is the corner. Another set of 3 double crochets. Now we move on to this space. This is the space where we had done 1 single crochet. So here we'll be doing 1 set of 3 double crochet. So before going to that, we'll chain 1 so that a similar gap is formed here. 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, and into the corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. What we do is chain 1 and only 1 set of double crochet in the chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and move to the next corner. So follow this pattern, and after reaching the end of the row, I'll show you how to finish it off. Now we have come to the end of the row. We did 3 double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain of the first 3 chains done. We can stop here if we want, or you can continue further with the same color, or you can add a different color and increase to any measurement. This square will increase proportionally, and either you can do that, or you can do multiple squares of this size and join them together to form a bigger project. So if we are finishing it, we do a slip stitch, cut the yarn. And fasten it like this, and you can weave the extra yarn using a needle. Just for showing, I'm just using this crochet hook. You can weave it inside. So a perfect square is made. Now we are done with the squares. The next upcoming videos, I'll show you how to change colors while doing a project and how to join these squares. See, you can do multiple squares and join them. I'll show you how to join squares and come out with beautiful patterns. So till then, keep practicing these granny squares. Until I see you next time, bye.